we're gonna check out all of the Disney Deluxe Resorts. We wanted to at least get one item in each resort, at least one food item or drink or something, so let's see. So we're gonna start off with the Animal Kingdom Lodge, number 23. Very nice. This is our first time checking out Animal Kingdom Lodge.
We're here, we gotta go over here.
We wanted to get to Sanaa, the restaurant right here.
We're supposed to be able to see some animals out there.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see the animals from here, but they're out there somewhere. Right under here, they've got a little fireplace. This is the view from the, I think it's called Pkwy Village. Someone's birthday. So we're coming straight to the Sanaa Lounge. And apparently the same menu is here. We're here for the Indian style bread service. All right, we got our naan bread and we got all our little sauces. I'm so excited to try all these flavors.
This bread, oh.
And it feels super soft. And they said they put butter on this bread?
Yeah, oh my goodness.
It looks beautiful. So far, I love the tzatziki. These are sweet. This is the tamarind, and I know this is like mango chutney. And then this is like, I'm not sure what it is, but it's sweet too. And then this is like hummus, which is good. And then we have yet to try this side. Now we are at the naan breads that are stuffed. I forgot which one's stuffed with what, but they're stuffed.
One has paneer.
Yeah, one has paneer, which is like a cheese, and I'm not sure what the other one is, but inside there's something. Ooh, look at that. My favorite is tzatziki. Second favorite would be hummus or the pesto. Third would be the sweet ones, which is the date tamarind or the mango. And then my least favorite is the roasted garlic, and the spicy ones are fun. I like this one more than the other one, but if you mix it with something else. What is your favorite?
I think overall this one.
This one? The tamarind.
What you said are pretty much accurate.
Yeah. I just love the yogurty one because it's refreshing. But yeah, it was very good. Definitely recommend. That was so delicious. I highly recommend the naan. I've seen everybody posting about it, so I had to try it, and now we're like, I get it.
And
it's
we're full
nice.
for the next.
Yeah, it really fills you up. It's hard to tell, but the giraffes are right behind those trees. They're kind of camouflaged. They got like nice little rocking chairs. You can sit by the fireplace at night.
Well, now.
So we are at Hollywood Studios now, so we can take the ferry boat over to the next resort that we're going to. And look at the gondolas. They're not running, but they're running. And they're fast. There goes the Haunted Mansion. We are at the Yacht and Beach Club, which we will someday come back and be renting one of these little boats over here that I heard that you can rent.
Polynesian.
Right, you can rent them at the Polynesian too, I think. So here's a map, and we are here at the Yacht Club. Over here is the Beach Club. So we'll first check this one out, and then we'll head over to check this one out. What's cool is that they have this little pool section that looks like a beach. Here they have an Ale and Compass lounge that's open from 11:30 a.m. till 1 p.m. So we're gonna head to Cruise Cup Lounge because apparently that's where we can grab something to drink. They open at 4:30 p.m. and it is right now 4:20 p.m. so we're gonna be the first ones in there. And here they have a steakhouse called Yachtman's Steakhouse that opens a little later. Hi. These are the drinks that are special to only the cruise club. There is the maple old fashioned with bourbon maple and it's barrel aged. I got the cold brew. And this is the old fashioned, the maple old fashioned. So according to the lady at the bar, the yacht club is more of an adult area and the beach club is more for like the kids. So it's more family friendly. Over here, massage, salon, and fitness area. So the yacht club basically has more things for the adults and then the beach club has like an arcade and an ice cream shop. All right, here's the arcade. Say hi to YouTube. It's a pretty decent arcade little area.
Not too bad.
Here you got the ice cream shop. So there's a pirate ship here and you can actually take the water slide all the way right there. So that's pretty cool. And here is Hurricane Hannah's waterside bar and grill. Here you can get food, you can get drinks. I got the poolside iced tea.
Because it doesn't have the,
No, no worries. Thank you. Cheers. Back on the bus so we can get to the monorail.
Down at 601. Down, you must take medicine at 601.
We made it to the Polynesian. There's a secret person that we're meeting up with right now. Oh! Hi!
Hi!
Nice to finally meet you.
Sam. This is Sam. Jeremy.
Hi, nice to meet you. Nice to well, come on,
All right.
We got Captain Cook's is right here. It's like quick service dining. It's not a speakeasy. Hi. Aloha. Thank you.
So, on the back we do have like appetizers, beer and wine. If you're boring, we will make fun of you. If you're boring. Okay? Yeah. Also, one more thing. Break everyone's heart. We are currently out of all of our souvenir mugs, except for, I know, crash, crumble, we're leaving. No. Vacation ruined. Absolutely ruined.
Here's my shrunken head without the shrunken head, but that's okay. What is happening?
Oh, because they ordered that drink?
Then we should have ordered that.
We are now on the leading on course for the
Why am I the only one saying 2 shots of rum?
2 shots of rum!
did you get again?
Spiced Island.
And what did you get again?
Tahitian torch.
By the way, this is Sam. And we got the Just Jabber. And we got the Tahitian torch.
And we get no souvenir cups.
Oh, no souvenir cups today. That's okay. We'll be fine.
Get this toothpick.
Apparently, every single drink you get gets a whole show. But we didn't get a show for any of these drinks. What's going on? He's like spraying water. Oh, you can get Dole Whips here.
Have you had a Dole Whip?
Of course. Okay, so we're heading out of the Polynesian and heading over to the next resort. Next stop, Grand Floridian. Behind the scenes.
No, and this is their first experience to get the whole smell of the lobby. The beautiful chandelier. The guys down there playing their tunes on the old hickory sticks. So, we are going to... That's good, right? Okay, so...
Did some pin trading. We got Wally, we got some Lion King.
Some ice cream.
Oh, Dole Whip. Nice.
This is mini 1993. I don't know.
Are you like a big pin collector?
Yeah.
Do you know about like the limited collections and all that?
Oh, yeah.
You know about limited edition and
Definitely.
everything? I just traded and got this orange bird.
She has pins too.
There you go.
Oh my gosh, yay! I
You're
love
gonna be on
this.
YouTube.
So
Somebody go.
subscribe, like, not click.
One thing I will say is that the smell here is the nicest smelling hotel we've been to. Out of all the resorts, this is the hotel that has smelled the nicest.
Right, let's get a candle.
I don't know what they're doing here.
Grand Floridian
Smell
candle.
good. I don't know if there's a candle that we're not aware of. What was in this cage? What was inside of that cage?
Please hold on to the handrails and stand clear of the doors.
All right, we are about to look at the view for the fireworks. So we should be able to catch the happily ever after fireworks from here.
Get excited. Here we go.
Here we go.
There we go.
Oh, that's nice.
Come on now, man.
Over here we have Outer Rim, Chef Mickey's, and the Contempo Cafe. So we're gonna, yes, go ahead and check out this one, see what we can get to eat.
Hi. Peanut butter
Oh, look at the little Mickeys on the cookies. And I like the pink cupcakes are cute. I like, oh, this is like very Lion King appropriate with the worms. Italian beef with chips. Smokehouse burger with fries. Let's see the inside. Oh my god.
The only thing I'm
And then this is also the Italian beef with fries.
Okay, so if you go one floor below of the concourse where Chef Mickey's is.
So here, look here, right there's the stairs,
escalator.
escalators.
If you go to floor 3.
That's 4.
Okay.
Yeah, I get it. I was just trying to let people know to go one floor down from there. All right. Okay, so you go one floor down to the 3rd floor. And after you get to the 3rd floor, this whole section is all comfy couches. You can take a load off your feet after a hard morning at Magic Kingdom. Come over here for a couple hours, and guess what? You chill out, like kaboom, like 2 hours. Go back to the Magic Kingdom.
Nice. Good pro tip from the Diz Jabber.
That's me.
Make sure you subscribe to the Diz Jabber 71, and don't forget to scan him.
Maybe.
And now we're taking the bus back to Disney Springs.